Hey guys, welcome back to my channel guys, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I achieve this boho butterfly locks. Guys, this is my first time doing it. When I say first time, I mean my first time ever trying this style, and I absolutely love it. When I say I love it, I absolutely love it. It was pretty intimidating at first when I saw this style, and I was like, I want to give it a try, but I don't know if I can do it. So I watched a few videos and I was like, okay, I know how to crochet, I know how to braid, so why not give this a try? So I did, and I love it. Okay, I love this style. I cannot believe how it turned out. I wanted something lengthy so I can put it up, half down, so I didn't want it short. So I decided I'll do something with a little bit of length so I can do a few styles with it. But I love it, guys. It's very lightweight, it's easy to do. All you would need is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is very detailed for beginner. Keep in mind, this is my first time doing it, so if I can do it, guys, you can do it. Okay, it's very easy. So my video is very detailed for beginners, so trust me, if you follow every instruction on my video, you will be able to achieve this look as well. And if you do it once and you mess up, just go back again and do it again, because at the end of the day, you will not be perfect when you do something the first time. And the great thing is that you can't really mess up, because it's a messy de-stress boho locks. It's messy, so even if you mess up, it still will work. Okay, so I am so grateful and thank you for clicking on my videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Click on the subscribe button and click the bell notification as well, so whenever I upload, you will see the video and you won't miss it. Trust me, guys, I'm gonna be more consistent, and I'm gonna bring more style to you guys that you can do from home, DIY style that you can do from home, that you can practice until it gets perfect. Okay, we're in this together, so enjoy my video. If you like it, leave a comment down below, and if you have any like suggestions on what you want me to do next, leave it in the comment down below, and I will definitely try it for you guys. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video as well, and share it. Please share my video, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I would love to have you in my family. Okay, so thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy. So all you're gonna need for this video, for this style, not this video, for this style, is the pre-stretch kinky here. You can use like the Jamaican curl, you can, the Jamaican twist, you can use like the Marley hair, whatever you prefer, but make sure it's kind of pre-stretch, so that way you don't have to do all that work, you know what I mean? So that's why I prefer the pre-stretch one. And I was using the Lulutress water wave for the back, and it was pretty, but then I start seeing like a different texture when I use the water wave. And I'm using the water wave, the regular one, not the bulk. And you guys can see, not the bulk. Don't get the bulk, because the bulk is not going to give you that nice defined effect. The bulk is more looser than the regular water wave, so I wouldn't suggest you getting that one. So I got this one, and I like the way how it come out more. I don't know if you guys can see the difference. Let me show you the back one, like a bottom piece. If you can see the different curl, the way how it look. This is the Lulutress, and this is the water wave. I really like the water wave texture better, so I used 5 packs of the water wave and in this one, and I use 2 packs of the Lulutress, and I would suggest this one. I don't like this one the way how it come out, but that's just my preference. You can do whatever you want to do, but my preference is this one, is this Freetress water wave, not the bulk, just the regular Freetress water wave. And I used 5 of those, and then I just bought 1 pack of the free stretch. I just bought 1 pack. See, I still have it in, and in total I have like, I would say like 30 of these in my, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So enough rambling, I'm just gonna show you guys, okay? So what do you want to do? You want to get one strand off the Freetress water wave, and you're gonna make sure you pull it out. Make sure, guys, I can't stress it enough, make sure you pull this out. If you don't pull the curly hair out, you won't get the look that you're looking for. So make sure you pull it out as much as possible. So see, I'm pulling it out. So with this method, is just you're just going to use this one strand and you're going to crochet it in so that you can get that wrap. So I'm just pulling mine out, and then I'm going to go in with the crochet needle and crochet this hair in. So I'm just going to go in regular, just like this, and just crochet in. And then just like you're doing a regular crochet, I'm just going to pull one in from the other. So for me, twisting towards my face is really easier because I get to wrap the hair around my thumb very easy because I get a good grip. But whichever direction you chose, you can't go wrong, okay? So you don't have to follow me. This is just what works for me. So I'm gonna hold the root of my hair, and I'm just gonna wrap this around 4 to 5 times. And for this one, I'm not wrapping it too tight because it's right on my edge, but I'm still wrapping it tight enough to where it holds. Okay, so since I'm done wrapping around, you can see it gripped really nicely. And this is how you're gonna do it. I'm just gonna wrap it around. I'm just gonna continue wrapping it. Okay, so I'm gonna use my thumb. I'm just gonna wrap the hair around, and I'm gonna use my thumb to hold pieces of the hair. And then for the hair to stay like this, okay, you see how it got loose? It's very easy to get loose off your finger. So you're just gonna hold it like this. The hair is around. You're gonna go up top first, and then you're gonna let the hair out, and then you're gonna go under the bottom of it. So I don't know if that makes sense. So when you put the hair under your thumb, you're gonna go the thumb, just here. So you're gonna go on top of it, and then you're gonna let it go, and then you're gonna go under the bottom. You see, it's distressed. So I'm just gonna continue with the wrap. You don't have to wrap it too tight down here. And then I'm gonna use my thumb again and hold some of the hair. Then I'm wrapping the top, and then I'm gonna go under the bottom. So you see, I'm looking that way because the mirror is right there. So hold again, thumb with some of the hair. Then I'm gonna go on top. Then I'm gonna go under. Okay, so once you get a hold of that, guys, that's just I would say that's just the most difficult part of doing this style. Once you get that down, it is so easy. Like, you will just keep going. You'll be so easy. So see, the hair is done. So I'm gonna show you guys how to add more hair to it. So you're gonna do the same thing. Loosen the hair. So what you're gonna do for this one, you're gonna go down to the bottom of the hair, of the piece of the strand, and you're gonna fold it like this. You can go as little as possible, or you can go however. It's no wrong or right way for this part, okay? So you're gonna take the hair, and then you're gonna put it right next to this hair, okay? Like this. And then you're gonna just wrap it. Like I said, you can wrap it backwards or you can wrap it to your face. For me, it's easy to wrap towards my face. So when you add the hair in, the next piece of the hair, you want to make sure you wrap around 3 to 4 times again, so that it can hold. And then you do the thumb. So you go up top the thumb, and then you go at the bottom. So it's pretty easy. So I'm just continue going down, and then you're gonna measure. You always measure the length to see if they're the same length. If not, you just keep going. Okay, so see, these two is almost the same length. Okay, so now it's time to fold. So what you're gonna use, if you have, you can use whatever finger, but I normally use a thumb. So I use a thumb and I make like a little hole, and then I just hold it like this, so you can see how it looks, like that, right? And then you're gonna use, what I did at the first one that I did, I just used the entire hair and just wrap it around the same time. And I see that it got loose, so what I chose to do, and it actually worked, I just break it in pieces and I just wrap. So I pull the hair at the bottom in pieces and I just wrap. The reason why, because the hair at the bottom, to go up, it gets thick. It's thick. So, and you want the bottom piece, the closing piece, to be tight so that it don't get loose. So all I'm doing is just wrapping the hair around. Okay, so when I do the first one, the extra piece of hair that I don't want, I just cut it off. So see, I'm not cutting the knot, I'm cutting the extra piece, okay? So, cut it off, and then I wrap upwards. And when you're wrapping upwards, make sure you're wrapping tight, okay? So that it can stay. And then I'm just gonna rub it together and lock it, and voila, done. Okay, so I am back and I'm at the top of my hair. I only have 3 left, but I just want to show you guys how I put in the hair. The Jamaican twist hair in mine, I just part it the way how I want it, and then I just plait it in. So I would suggest you guys bring your hair all the way, braid your hair all the way down into this, so that when it's time for you to cut it, you know exactly how far up you should cut it or how low you're supposed to cut it in order for you to take the hair out, okay? So I would suggest you guys braid it all the way down to your hair. So my hair stopped here, so you want to bring it down so you know exactly where to cut the hair when it's time to take it out, okay? So this is how it looks so far. I only have 3 left. So this is how it looks so far. It's very lightweight. It is not heavy at all. I thought it was going to be heavy, but trust me, it is not. Very lightweight. I really like it a lot, and I hope you guys try it at home as well, and I hope this tutorial helped you guys a lot. So, and then again, for your thumb, for you to get the distressed look, you have to use your thumb, and you're gonna bring the hair over on top of your thumb, and then you let it go loose, and then you bring the hair under. Okay, I hope that helps a little bit. Once again, here on top of your thumb, or let your thumb hold some of the hair, and then you bring it on top, and then you pull on the bottom. Okay, so that's how it is. So you're gonna wrap. You don't, at this part, you don't have to do it tight, okay? You can do it loose if you want to. So the only part that you have to do a tight a little bit to make it lock is the top part, okay? And at the bottom when you're folding it to lock it as well. So it doesn't matter how many hair you leave out, okay? It all depends on your preference. If you want the de-stress look a lot more than mine's, you just have to loosen a lot more of the hair, okay? So you can't go wrong. It's just whatever you like. If you like it more messy, you use a thumb and hold more of the hair as you go. So you're gonna de-stress it closer like this. If you want it to be this messy, which not all of mine are messy like that, can you see the difference? So it just all depends on your preference. Me, I mixed it because I wanted to still have that de-stress full look, because if you know me and if you're an OG, you know I love my hair to be thick and full, and I don't have any hair on the sides, so I have to make it look as full as possible, but not much, you know what I mean? So yeah, so always fold up the top first, and then you go at the bottom of the de-stress part, okay? Okay, so the folding method again. You take your thumb, like this. I like to wrap the ends, like twist up the ends of the hair. And then you can use whatever finger, your thumb, whatever you chose to do to make that little loop. So you want it like a little bump, like that. And like I said, if you use the whole thing to go up, it won't hold properly. So I just break it into pieces, like probably like 2 or 3, it all depends. Like for this one, I'm gonna do 3 at the end, and I'm gonna wrap upwards. Okay. I'm gonna take another piece again, and then I'm gonna wrap upwards. You want to wrap it tight, okay? If you wrap it tight, it won't come out loose. So you want to wrap it tight. So the extra hair that I have that I don't need, I'm just gonna get the scissors and I'm just gonna cut it off. But always cut it when you make your lock, okay? After you make your lock, I would suggest, if you're like how you're a first timer like me, I would suggest you fold it first before you cut the extra piece, okay? And that's how it looks at the end, okay? So voila. So I'm gonna get off again, and I'll be back when I am completely done to show you guys the finished chin look. Okay, so this is how it is. I have 2 left to do. So far so good. So I'll be back when I'm done. Loves, this is my end result. I love my hair so much, as you can see in the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well, and I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys so much.